Hi, my name is Jansal P. Asi. I'm 16 years old. My birthday is November 11, 1999. I live at UP Diliman, Quezon City. My hobbies are playing with my cousins, watching TV with them, playing video games, and sometimes drawing and reading when I get bored. And lastly, playing basketball. I have no nickname, but my cousins always call me Kuya Cloud, and my classmates and friends call me Asi. Other people says to me that I'm quiet person, a shy boy, humble, kind, gentleman, and handsome. But my friend always says to me that I'm crazy person, a joker, not kind, not humble, not gentleman, not handsome, and they always says to me that I'm have a corny jokes. See? Where's the justice? Just kidding. After 10 years, I see myself I'm a great architect. I have a wonderful life, a happy family, a lovely wife, and we have 5 children. We will travel the whole world. We have a cars, houses, and we have a mansion in province. Province that have a fresh air, healthy environment, healthy living, and beautiful nature that we will see. That's all. Thank you.